But I can say certainly there is a big reason that the ghazals are not getting adopted by the youth. There is a big uh, there is a big gap, we can say, which had been created by the media, the Western culture, and which is certainly reflecting, which is has been actually been adopted by. It's not the form of singing, we can say. It's the lifestyle which the people have adopted, the youth has adopted, because uh, time is changing very fastly, and I don't blame them. What has been what is instantly comes in front of us, and people just adapted. They just had to, that there is a whatever charms them, attracts them, so they just go with the flow. So I can say yes, ghazal gaiki is getting affected. There are less singers who are adopting ghazals as a profession. There was a time, I believe, when I myself, I'm a classical trained singer, and I know that it takes a lot of effort to get into the thing, to get into the system, a lot of dedication and a lot of practice. We used to sit for a good long 8 and 9 hours for riyaz. So such kind of singing, if you can say, for ghazal singers, or there are other nuances of classical singing, they can only come. I mean, it's a lot of hard work, and that too, the kind of literature it has, the rich literature, because ghazals came in existence long back. I can say that when the Mughals came here with the language Urdu, and also there was a time when ghazals came in the form. So if I ask any of my colleague or any of the a youngster that just hum a phrase or a what we call it, antara, a share, or what we call it, you know, they'll really not understand. The reason being the kind of heavy words they have, the deep Urdu literature. It's really not easy for the youths to understand it. So I think there should be some kind of awareness through the media. Some programs should be shown, or they should encourage the youth that you should go for such kind of singing pattern. And I believe it's really good, and the kind of message they convey, the kind of depth such a literature holds, it's beyond imagination.
Do you think that there should be more shows? Like there are many Urdu literature societies in the country, and they should do more shows in which ghazals should be included.
I believe there are certain parts in India. I believe if you talk about Delhi, if you talk about Bombay, other places also, where people actually they love to listen they have a lot of patience. They sit down, they listen to classical, they listen to ghazals. There are ghazal singers, and I certainly will not agree to this, that the number of ghazal singers, the number has got down, and it's just all over. It's hip hop and it's the Western singing thing. There are the organizations, if I can say, Sangeet Natak Academy, ICCR, and India Habitat Center. There are so many programs which keep on happening. I mean, in Delhi only, and there is the audience. I mean, there are the people, youth also, who are actually keen, and they regularly participate in such events. But seriously, the main credit which goes to the revolution, I can say, is media, is internet media, which is directly in touch with the people in with the youth. You hardly see any of the movie songs coming up which has got the, if you don't talk about ghazals, if you just talk about a good literature, they don't have it. They just use random words. They don't hold good meaning. So I say, if some nice programs, or if they plan it in a way, for instance, there are the talent hunts which comes, like Indian Idol, Saregamapa. Youth are there which they sing ghazals, they sing the oldies, they sing everything. So person who is actually into music, they know if like the true form of singing, which gives a reflection of somehow Indian classical music, then they opt the they can certainly opt the classical or such ghazal forms.
Do you think that it depends upon some big singers also who will